Hey friends, I'm Chandler Willcuts, and we are going to show you today what 2.75 million gets you in wine country. So this is a modern farmhouse that we recently completed. It's 5,700 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2 half baths. We wanted kind of a contemporary feel, but still staying with that modern farmhouse aesthetic. So we went with really light and bright colors to kind of keep a nice open, airy feeling. You'll see we got high vaulted ceilings in here with wagon wheel light fixtures with an incredible view out into the mountains. So this great room also has a really big brick fireplace with media centers on each side that opens up into our kitchen here. We went with a 2-tone kitchen with a custom stain on rift white oak cabinets, complemented by peppercorn cabinets by Sherwin-Williams. To keep that 2-tone look, we went with black hardware on our white rift oak cabinets, along with bronze hardware on our peppercorn cabinets. All the appliances in here are by Monogram, made by GE. This is a 48-inch gas range. I think you could probably fit, I'd say, 100 Totino's pizza rolls in there and probably 3 DiGiorno pizzas in there. And here we have a big walk-in pantry that then leads to another pantry through this door. So one trend that we're kind of seeing in our higher end homes are these back kitchens or sculleries or whatever you want to call them. There's so many names for them, but it's a good kind of spot for prepping. Off our little breakfast nook here, we have our accordion doors that just open out to this incredible view. This house actually has 3 pantries. So this is our 3rd pantry. Very workable, usable kitchen for the chef and the family. And then we got a den behind this sliding barn door. Here's our master suite. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. It has definitely the best view from the house. To break it up a little bit, we went with this accent wall. Again, peppercorn by Sherwin-Williams with light fixtures on each side of the bed. And this is our master bathroom. We have heated tile floors in here, as well as a very popular Chloe tile by Bedrosians. This is what we're calling a wet room. It's where you kind of have a combination of the shower as well as the bathtub, and I think it just turned out pretty sharp. Now we'll head upstairs to see the rest of the bedrooms in the bonus room. Now this was kind of interesting. On the plan, this just showed an empty wall, but we thought we could make a good use of space for it. So the idea of this would be kind of like a kid's homework space or second work area. This is our bonus room. I think every house needs a bonus room. It's just a good space for extra gathering and entertainment. We have an accented shiplap wall with the color Worldly Gray by Sherwin-Williams and finished off with this custom beam. We also have this half bathroom conveniently located right off of the bonus room. Here's one of our 3 guest bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own walk-in closet, and then this one has a Jack and Jill bathroom. And this is our last suite upstairs, again with its own full bathroom. And then in here we have an oversized 3-car garage with a custom epoxy floor. Over our garage, we have this little space for whatever you want. Peloton, extra office. So this house is conveniently located between Newburgh and Hillsborough with easy access to Nike and Intel. This house is located in Yamhill County, which is great for property taxes and as well as school districts. This is in the Newburgh School District and is close to George Fox University. These lots are all 20-acre lots with privacy with gated entries. It'd be great for a big family or even an empty nester with the master bedroom being located on the main level.